Welcome to Sri Krishna Kitchen. Today my preparation is prawn gravy without coconut. Ingredients taken for this recipe: half kg prawn cleaned and deveined, mixed salt, chili powder and turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon corn flour, small ball size tamarind, 2 tomatoes, 2 dry chilies, few fenugreek seeds, 12 shallots, 2 small pieces green chilies, few curry leaves, turmeric powder, coriander powder and red chili paste. This is a very tasty recipe. It goes very well with the chapati, dosa and also for rice. Heat the kadai, add oil into it, add mustard seeds, add fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, sliced baby onions into it, till slightly brown in color. Let's are very tasty for the fish curry. Slit the green chili, add into it. Flame on medium. Add red dry chili, sliced tomatoes, cook. Here goes 2 teaspoon coriander seed powder, teaspoon turmeric powder. Make the flame low. 2 and a half teaspoon red chili paste, or you can use Kashmiri chili powder. Ginger garlic paste. Added all the masala. Well, add 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Cleaned and deveined prawn. I got medium sized prawn. Mix well. Let prawns cook in the masala. Slightly cooked in dry masala. Tamarind juice. Salt. Water into it. Meanwhile, mix water with the corn flour. It will dilute very easily. Corn flour I am adding to the gravy to get thickness. Please remember, here we are not adding coconut. Gravy started boiling. Let's close it and keep for a few minutes. Add quarter teaspoon peppercorn powder. Finally, add the mixture of corn flour. If gravy becomes thick after adding corn flour mixture, add half glass of water. Mix well. Close it and keep for boiling. Gravy is ready. Finally, garnish with the coriander leaves. Of the gas. Prawn gravy without coconut is ready. You never had this kind of gravy. Please try once and write a comment. Comments are always accepted. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to this channel.